Resto-Rob. So today's project is going to be a pair of fence making pliers. We all are familiar with our traditional fencing pliers. This one is identified as a fence making pliers. The company is LA Sayre. So let's sit back, relax, and dive into these things. And finally, this one came from our buddy Dirt over at Leader. It has a patent date of can't really tell if you can see the patent date here. But it does say April 7/03. And I do have corresponding information. Newark, New Jersey. Yeah. So I will show you a link to what I found about this, and this will probably turn into a video. Well, we got a pretty good heavy windstorm today. Here is after I had it in a bath of Evapor-Rust. This was about a week ago, and then I shot the center with some WD-40, and still has some good coming out. But I'm going to try to clean it up with the belt sander, so let's take a look. So you could see we got the handles, still some pit marks, but I'm going to take an orbital sander and try to knock some of this stuff off. Trying to save as much of the lettering as I possibly can. So let's go from there. Okay, now we can really get some cleaning done. So unfortunately, I didn't film this. I brought the tool to Ace Hardware here in Pueblo West, and found a clevis pin that actually fit in that hole. I cut it off, and then with a hammer I beat it down as a rivet. So it's not too bad. So I'm pretty happy, and luckily I was able to go through and clean most of it up. So now let's just sand it down, see where we go. Well, we got it polished. I cleaned it off. I'm not happy 100%. I mean, I'm happy the way it came out, but I'm going to super glue it. So I'm just going to pre-start with the... I did go through it with some carburetor cleaner. And now I got steel wool just kind of scuffing it up. And I got my little cup, got my super glue. And I got a brush, I like to brush it on. So, here we go. Okay, I say we've got it glued. We'll give it a minute to kind of dry. Alright, that's probably long enough for right now. Got some clean water to neutralize it in. Okay, here we go. This is what we got. So yeah. So here's our finished product. I did give it a good oiling. Probably in a day or two I will give it some carnauba wax and preserve it. So this is how it turned out. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. So unfortunately I don't have any wire here at the shop. I don't do much wiring or any fencing. So yeah, that's where we're at. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the fence making pliers. A little different than the traditional fencing pliers. I got a couple here that need to be cleaned up and set for future projects. If you guys want to see these being done, let me know in the comments below. But like to thank Dirk. Thank you, Dirk, for giving me these pliers, man. They turned out looking pretty good. I like the bluing that I did. Yeah, there's just a lot of pits, and I didn't really want to get too much of any of that taken down. New Jersey. So, until next time, stay safe, and we will check you later.